Section 4. The Promise and Perils of AI Lawyers. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in the legal field, exploring both its potential and its pitfalls. The benefits of AI in law are numerous. From streamlining processes to enhancing productivity, AI is revolutionizing the legal industry in ways we never thought possible. Efficiency is a major one. AI can handle large volumes of data quickly and accurately, allowing lawyers to work more efficiently and effectively. AI can automate tedious tasks, such as document review and legal research, freeing up lawyers to focus on more complex issues that require human judgment and expertise. This can lead to faster resolutions and reduced costs. By automating routine tasks, AI helps law firms save time and money, which can be passed on to clients in the form of lower fees.
But there are concerns. Could AI replace human lawyers altogether? The answer is complex. While AI can handle many tasks, it lacks the human touch. AI excels at tasks that are rule-based, but it struggles with nuance and emotional intelligence, qualities essential for many legal situations. Human lawyers bring empathy, ethical considerations, and the ability to understand the subtleties of human behavior, which are crucial in many cases. Therefore, while AI is a powerful tool, it is unlikely to replace human lawyers entirely. Instead, it will augment their capabilities, allowing them to provide better service to their clients.
Section 5. The Future of Law in the Age of AI. The future of law is likely to be a collaboration between human and artificial intelligence. This collaboration will redefine the legal landscape, bringing together the analytical power of AI and the nuanced understanding of human lawyers. AI will handle the routine, the data-heavy tasks. These tasks include document review, legal research, and even predicting case outcomes based on historical data. This will free up human lawyers to focus on strategy, negotiation, and client interaction. Human lawyers will be able to dedicate more time to understanding their clients' needs, crafting personalized legal strategies, and negotiating complex deals. This partnership has the potential to revolutionize the legal profession, making it more efficient, affordable, and accessible. By leveraging AI, law firms can reduce costs and pass those savings on to clients, making legal services more affordable. The Supreme Court win was just the beginning. This landmark decision paved the way for the integration of AI in legal processes, setting a precedent for future advancements. The real journey is just starting. As AI continues to evolve, its role in the legal field will expand, offering new opportunities and challenges. The future of law in the age of AI is not just about technology, but about creating a more just and equitable legal system for all.